Guys, today I'm going to be doing another painting video like my last one about two cats in a tree. So let's get started. I'm using this very big brush. This is the biggest brush I have actually. We're drawing a sunset birds. I'm going to be using my painting palette. So the colors are not much, but we need this red and this brown. And I'm going to mix that up here. I'm going to take more brown, guys. Woo! It makes this shadow effect. Then I need a lot of yellow, guys. About the yellow stuff. Okay. Orange. Okay, guys, this is my orange. It's half finished, but it will do. That much comes, I don't care. I just want yellow to come. Whoa, that doesn't even show up in the red. Oh no. Oh. Guys, it's really brightening it up. I really like that effect. And that's why I'm gonna paint this sky with this color. You also want a little rainbow effect, so we're going to use a light version of it. That's why I wanted it to become lighter. So we want to save some room for the sun, okay? So that's how big our sun is going to be, guys. I know it looks like an eye, but yeah, it does look like an eye, guys. So now you want to make the sign. Okay, the sun. Oh, big paintbrush again. Scoop up some of this light yellow. Okay, guys, I think we're looking perfect. Guys, rubby-dubby-dub. Okay, guys, I think this looks really cool now. And next, I'm going to do the orange sky. Or maybe the blue. Oh, that's the purple. This is the blue. The grass. This is my green brush. Okay, guys, so this is my green brush. Okay, guys, we're doing some grass now with this hard brush. And guys, don't throw away the hard brushes. Keep the hard brushes because it's a good use of detail. And this is the technique I always use. Take the bottom of your brush, brush too. Guys, I'm switching up my brush. There you go, guys. So it looks like brushes will be Oh, it's wet. My hand is wet, wet, wet. Oh, brain juice. That creates this minty green color. And for that, I'm going to do the leaves, guys. Leaves for me. A little bit of yellow. We can put strands of yellow in there so it looks like there's some loose leaves in there too. So yeah. Gonna do some leaves flying around like a birdie. Some black to make a tie. Make some branches sticking out. Hey guys, so that's my new green. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little bit of rocks because I think that's cool. Some rocks. Because it looks really nice if I use some rocks. So I'll put some shine on the rock. On whatever is looking like wood. Whatever is like Woody. The tiny bird from the movie. That white stroke makes it look alive. Add a little light brown to make a pop of color. And also for the tree. That's my drawing. I hope you like it. Leave a thumbs up. Click the notification bell. And also check out my Instagram. There's a lot of cool new pictures every day.